What's up, Maniacs? John here with Maniacs Garage. And Rusty, how you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
Good. So we're here wrapping up at Fuel Fest out in Phoenix, and we found this thing. We wanted to bring it to you guys. So Rusty, why don't you tell us about this thing? What year is it? What have you done to it?
So it's a 1951 Chevy 3100. It has an S10 frame swap.
Nice, man. And you're running twin turbos on it,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So big dollar twin turbos?
No, some eBay, $150.
eBay turbos, man. You gotta love it. Is it on air?
No, it's static.
Static, dude. That's pretty crazy. That's pretty low.
It's channeled about 4 inches.
So you're running an S10 frame, you
Yes,
said,
sir.
right? So it got pretty good ride, relatively speaking.
Yeah.
I was just admiring this wing back here. That's pretty crazy. That's pretty creative. How'd you come up with that?
So the license, I do the license plates on all my cars. I have it on 2 other cars. I kind of went a little crazy on this one.
Okay, cool. So I assume that the wing really comes in handy when you're doing like 120, 140.
Yeah, it's actual downforce on it.
A lot of downforce, right? So you were telling me before we started shooting that you're actually having some tuning issues on this thing. And tell us how you got it here.
Yeah, I've been fighting it for about 5 days. I had a big intake manifold leak.
Yeah.
Chased my tail trying to figure out what was wrong with it. Took me 5 days to fix it to get it here. It's not running as well as I'd like, so I had to take back streets here an hour and 15 minutes.
Hour and 15 minutes.
Going 35 miles the whole way.
35 miles an hour. So this is what we do for the sport, you guys. You know, he wanted to make it to Fuel Fest, and that's what it takes sometimes, you know? So, hey, why don't you tell us, what was like the biggest challenge so far with this car?
Definitely keeping it running. I've had so many little issues that chased my tail to figure out what it was.
Keeping it running. So how long has it taken so far?
About a year and a half, 2 years.
Year and a half to 2 years. And like, what motivated you, man, to do this?
I've been dreaming about building a rat rod since I was like 15. My friend's dad had one when I was growing up. I've always wanted a doggy style.
All right, so for those of you out there who are like, man, you know, 51 Chevy, it's ruined, you know. The reality is that you actually saved it from the crusher, and it's on the street, it's running, it's being enjoyed, not just by you, but by us. It's super cool, man. We love it. Thanks, man, for your time. I really appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
Thanks, guys, for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.